ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Conrad Sangma ubalong menteri rang ba ka jilaw la Jngoh ya ka Ïing mala jong ki Singhania kabala plu ha ka jingsha bamdu ha ka ding besar khai ha Thana road kendailan ha ka khatsau tarik risaw arajar pulai ha ka jingla jurem ya menteri rang ba la sanran lang dau DGP chief secretary ka deputy commissioner jong ka East Councils bat kiwi ki he officer ka sarkar jilla menteri rang ba ulai kendu ru bat ka Ïing ka sam ki Singhania bat ulapan pawru ya ka jing ngolem bat ka ju upor ai khoblai kerpang ya ka jing terishtom ki bor spai ki bor pulet katnat pelip ding bat ya borok ki brio ki beradan menta banyarap ha ka jing plu Ïing ki Singhania ka bra penher sengi ulut i borok kani ki Ïing debilan ka jerong saumala ka dai ka Ïing jong amit Singhania ka dan bon klik kudam bat ka dai ru ka jaka ba ki jat Singhania ki shong kisa kala depai ha ka jing pamdu ki thili ding ki barhem
One by one, trying to push this, trying to break this. Okay.
Explode all options. They explode all options. We were thinking from coming from behind, but there was absolutely no way we could come.
The biggest equipment.
The only was from behind. This also. Somehow, otherwise it was a raging forest.
Saw the video. I mean, we can't imagine what it must have been all
about. Just visited the site of the fire incident that took place in this bazaar 48 hours back, and it was a very tragic and a very unfortunate incident and an accident that took place, and we do express our sympathies and our concerns to the families that were affected by the fire and the accident that took place. I would like to mention that this had a very, very big potential to be a very disastrous situation because this was in the middle of the market area, a very congested area and a very difficult area for the fire services and other services to come in and do their work. But in spite of the challenges, the different departments, especially the fire service, the army, the air force, the Assam Rifles, the BSF, and the community and all the other officials from different departments had come in and really worked very hard. If you can see behind me, the buildings are very close, and even behind the buildings there were other small residential areas. But in spite of these challenges, the department and the officials were able to contain, and the fire did not spread beyond this particular building, and that in itself is something that I must thank and appreciate the work that has been done by the officials from, as I said, the departments, the fire service, the police, the administration, and NDRF, SDRF, and of course the armed forces, and a special mention to the armed forces who really supported us in this very, very difficult and complicated situation. The community was also very supportive of us. At the same time, this is also, of course, a situation where a detailed investigation will be done, and we will go into details of the reasons why this has happened, and of course we will also go into issues of how to make sure that these kind of complicated situations are avoided and can be stopped in the future, and also to measures on which how we could improve the overall service and the response that we will give. Though the response here was very swift, we still have a challenge. The building was also in a way a go down, and hence it has got a lot of materials inside, the furnitures or other kind of plastic materials, and therefore those kind of materials also inside led to the challenges. And as I said, in spite of all those challenges, the fire did not spread to other buildings, and that was in itself a great achievement. But as I said, we need to go into details and find out what has happened, how it happened, and what measures to take in the future to ensure that not just in Shillong but in any other part of the state, we avoid these kind of situations. Safety audits and other audits will need to be done. All of these will be examined. We are having a cabinet meeting on the 18th, and a detailed discussion will happen on that day for this.